Also, guys, got a new sub. Try to guess what it is. And also got a new amp. Classic Rockford. Digital display. Looks shitty without the cover. Old school Rockford. Got it for cheap. It's around 600 watts. Should be perfect for my new 10. Gonna use this bad boy. Aeroport. 4-inch firing to the driver's side. Peace, guys.